Hi, Mr Wright here. This summer's IGCSE exams are fast approaching. Make sure you're ready to get your best grade by joining one of my live revision sessions. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description. Right, let's get on with today's question. Circle theorems. Right, let's have a look. Now let's take a careful look at the diagram before we do anything else. I can see that's the centre there, so that's going to be an isosceles triangle there. Now I'm thinking what circle theorems could come to bear here. Well, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a cyclic quadrilateral, so that might be useful. Okay, let's delete all that. What else could be useful? I suppose, look, I've got angle at the edge, angle on the circumference, angle at the centre. That might be useful. Well, there's 3 ideas already. The isosceles triangle, the cyclic quadrilateral, angle at centre, angle at circumference. Let's have a look at the question. Work out the size of angle AOD. That's this angle here. Oh, that's going to be double that one, isn't it? So 108. Give a reason for your answer. Okay. Angle at centre equals double angle at the circumference. Okay. Work out the size of angle CAO. C to A to O. That's this angle here. Right, what are they thinking there, I wonder? Let's have a look at CAO. Well, first of all, let's write this one in. We know that's 108. So we know each of those angles because that's an isosceles triangle, isn't it? So 360 minus 108 is 72 divided by 2, that's 36. That's 36. Okay, now just a minute. Look at this. There to there to there. That's a triangle. You know, we've got 180 degrees in a triangle. So we know that we've got 180 minus the angle at the top, 54, minus this angle, which is 28, and then another 36, minus the 36, and the remainder must be my little green angle. So here we go. 180 minus 54 minus 28 minus 36 minus 36 gives me an answer of 26. So angle CAO is 26 degrees. Right, let's clear off this diagram here and mark that one as 26. Okay. Next, finally, work out the size of angle ABC. A to B to C, that's this angle here. I think my cyclic quadrilateral is going to come into play here. Right, here is a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add to 180. And I know this whole angle here is 28 plus 36, 28 plus 36, 64. So angle ABC must be 180 minus 64. Gives me 116. That's the end of that question. And that is 5 marks. 5 marks on the circle theorems question. It was question 16. A question 16. So third of the paper. Grade 7-ish. 5 marks. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, hit like, give me some positive feedback, and tell me in the comments, how's your revision going, and is there anything I can do to help you get your best grade this summer? Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.